Whoa! Whoa! What? Just kidding. So I bought a drone. Check this thing out. I had to put the GoPro on the front. I wanted to get one that I could use the GoPro with. That way I could film some things. I've flown some regular drones before, like the DJI kind of consumer drones. This is called a CINILOG. It's a CINILOG 35 V2 by Gep RC. I'm a little nervous to fly it. It's got a lot of power, and I've never actually flown one of these drones that does an acro mode. It's like full manual. It can control every direction. It doesn't just hover there. You have to actually control every aspect of it. Luckily, I practiced in a simulator a little bit before it came. I wanted to try it out, and I'm glad I did because I couldn't even take off. So I ended up putting in about 17 hours in the simulator, and so I'm feeling pretty confident in there now, but I'm still a little nervous because this is a pretty pricey chunk of hardware right here. So I had to buy this little drone, and then I had to buy these DJI Goggles too. They seem okay, and then I had to buy this controller here, TBS Tango 2. It's supposed to be a kind of an open source controller. Pretty neat, hooks up to the software. But before we can do any of that, I have to actually register this drone with the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration here in the United States. They passed a law, all the drones that are over a certain weight have to be registered. There's actually an RC park for airplanes. We're gonna go out there, test this thing out today. I'm pretty excited, a little bit nervous, hope I don't crash it. Let's get this thing registered with the FAA. Okay, we got the drone registered. We took the trust test so that we can fly this thing. We're ready to go to the field. Let's do it. Okay, that was a little bit wild. So I got all the way to the park. I forgot this battery. It connects to the headset, so I had to leave. But I went back and got the battery and went back to the park. So it was pretty wild. I was definitely nervous on the first run. It was kind of overwhelming. I'm super glad that I used the simulator to learn how to use this thing. It was definitely useful. Pretty cool though. These batteries only lasted about 6-7 minutes each. They ran out pretty quick, but this thing is super fast, like insane fast. They say it can go 65 miles an hour. Pretty good for a little tiny thing the size of my hand. I have to make a couple adjustments here. On the GoPro, the footage is a little bit off, and make some adjustments to the way it works. Fly it a couple more times, and then hopefully we can make some movies with it. It should be pretty cool. I'll see you guys.